Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing a brilliant keyboard that's a little different than our usual products. This is the Logitech G715 from our Aurora Collection. A beautiful and aesthetically pleasing gaming keyboard that packs in mechanical switches, LIGHTSPEED wireless, and tons of customizations that we'll go over in a bit. So let's get into it. Once we open the box, the first thing we're greeted with is a quick start guide under the lid. Next is the keyboard itself, wrapped in some protective paper. We'll go ahead and remove that, and here it is. This keyboard is honestly gorgeous, and it's packed with all of the tech that make our gaming keyboards legendary. Before we get into all of the features of the keyboard, let's get everything out of the box. Under the keyboard tray, which we lift up with this cloud-shaped tab, we have something else wrapped in protective paper. A cloud-shaped wrist rest. You have to admit the styling here is on point. We have some documentation under the wrist rest, which we'll set aside. And lastly, we have this accessories box, which contains a USB-C cord for charging and cabled operation, as well as an extender for the LIGHTSPEED dongle. This extender allows for a few configurations and a bit of redundancy. For more information on using the extender and other connection tips, be sure to check out our video on hooking up your LIGHTSPEED keyboard. And if you're looking for the LIGHTSPEED dongle, it's actually stored here in the bottom of the keyboard. Now that we have everything all laid out, we can really appreciate the aesthetic while we get into all of the features that make this keyboard amazing. You can select between three types of switches: clicky, linear, and tactile. The one I have is the GX Brown Tactile. The wrist rest combined with the adjustable height make this a really dreamy and comfortable typing and gaming experience. If we power on the keyboard, we can see the truly amazing LightSync lighting that glows all around the perimeter, which comes with 4 immersive play mood animations that are exclusive to the Aurora Collection. Or you can set up your own looks with 16.7 million colors available to every single key, all configurable in G-Hub. There are also accessory packs that allow you to customize the keycaps and the faceplate, really helping you dial in the vibe of your setup. This keyboard can connect 3 ways: via LIGHTSPEED, via a cable, or via Bluetooth. We also have a nice set of media keys, a volume roller, a backlight brightness button, a game mode button, which disables selectable keys to make sure you don't accidentally exit a game, and the connection mode button, which cycles between LIGHTSPEED and Bluetooth. You can also cycle through the onboard lighting effects by holding the backlight button and pressing the keys on the number row. There are so many more features of this keyboard that I could go over, but I think that covers the basics of this amazing keyboard. Be sure to check out our video on connecting your keyboard via Bluetooth so you can connect to multiple devices, as well as our introduction to G-Hub video. Lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.